Show me what you're going to do.
Color. You do this color?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Pink.
What
Good
color
job.
is this one? Do you know what color this is?
Yeah.
What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. What's this one?
Green.
Green. And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. And what's this one?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. And you want to do which one first? This one?
This one.
Alright, so you want to do pink? Alright, go ahead. Drop your egg. Alright, and then we just gotta shake it. Make sure it gets covered. Yep. You can shake it. Here, let's move it closer. There you go. And you just gotta shake it. That way it gets back and forth. Like this.
Mommy will do a blue egg.
I will do this thing.
What color are you going to do next?
This. Green.
Green.
Green. Okay. I guess I'll do purple.
Good job. Can you shake it up a little bit?
Can you shake it? We've got to make sure that gets colored.
Good job.
Good job.
I don't get the other egg. This thing.
What color is that one going to be? What color is left?
Yellow.
Okay.
Okay. I want Claudia to do more.
Because she's 2. Can you shake it up?
Oh, yeah. Shake the yellow one.
Can you say Happy Easter, Claudia?
Happy Easter.